pretty clear we're not going to make it to Blue Lake before our turnaround time. So we're going to end up heading back. I think I just got my 4th mosquito bite. That water was like ice. I really hope you can hear my audio over the roar of that stream. But yeah, that was, as Robert put it, painful. I'll leave that now. Now that the sun's come out, the lake is looking real pretty. I have 4 mosquito bites so far, which on a normal, on a typical year where we don't get a ton of snow, my trip will, I'll have like 10 or less bites. Last time on a super wet year, I got almost 40. And just on this day hike, I've gotten 4. So that's certainly telling. And the DEET, at first I used a 40% DEET spray. And that seemed to help. And then it stopped helping. And so I put on 100% DEET, and they didn't care anyway. So definitely first hatch of mosquitoes is here, and rapidly hatching. Pretty flowers again. I do not know what they are. Big steps. Get away, mosquito!
We're gonna be a minute.
Okay, no problem. I'm
just curious, what weight is your pack at?
41.7.
Okay, mine's at 40, 42, and you're giving me shit. And I swear I left all of the like stuff I didn't need at home. And, okay, good. I feel better.
Yeah, I mean, this is my new pack. I was using an external frame where my average weight was about 53, and I still don't know why. I know I've had to pack less clothes and
Yeah.
stuff, but also
You're carrying an extra set of shoes, GPS gear,
Damn,
GoPro.
you got. Okay, so I don't feel so bad. I'm thinking some people were saying, "Oh no, you shouldn't do more than 20 pounds." I'm thinking,
that's if you're a
how do you do that?
through hikers.
It's crazy.
Like their max weight is around like in the mid 30s or
How
low
do they do
30s.
that? I mean, I have my bear
They
box in
they some of them go stoveless, which means they don't have to carry fuel.
there. Okay.
Some of them also have tents that basically they stake out and prop up with their
so it's
trekking
basically
pole.
Just a tarp.
Basically,
Okay.
it's
Like-
super light.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I feel better. I'm glad we talked.
Yeah.
He took
You
my-
guys are doing good.
Pull that strap.
I hope it's fine for now. As you can tell, this is our first time.
Where are you guys headed?
Hopefully to Hungry Packer.
Okay.
Hopefully.
There is a water crossing.
Okay. Is it decent or?
It's not terrible.
Okay.
The thing is, you could technically cross on rocks, but I think it's a little too slippery for that.
Just get the feet wet.
Yeah, it'll probably come up to like here. I got my pants wet, but they're almost dry now.
Oh
So,
yeah. No,
it
that's what I thought.
is very cold water.
Is it okay?
Yes, it is very
Expect
cold.
some shrinkage.
Right. Exactly. Well, thank you. That
Oh,
makes
you're
me feel
welcome.
better. Now, see, I've been hiking that 40 pounds.
Yeah, that's not a bad weight at all.
Okay, good. I feel better because all I have is a jet boil in there, so I know that's light. And
Yeah,
it's a little bit.
yeah, you're doing good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks a lot.
Take care.
Happy trails. Roger that. You're several minutes behind me. There are 2 other backpackers headed up your way.
Okay, roger.
Just remember, since they're most likely going to be going uphill when you meet them, go off to the side of the trail. Proper trail etiquette.
Okay.
The reason for that is it's easier for you to get going downhill again, but it's harder for them to get going uphill. So they like to maintain their momentum. Very pretty. Morning.
Morning. Thank you.
You're welcome. Two more, looks like day hikers are headed up. Just FYI.
Roger.
Did you already pass those other backpackers?
I passed those other 2 you're telling me about.
Roger that. I got ya. How do you feel?
Better.